Welcome everyone to the third episode in the mathematics of Marvel's Midnight Suns. This time we're going to take a little break from mathematical expectation, and we're just going to look at arithmetic progression. So in particular we're going to look at Storm's crushing blow that increases in damage each turn but also increases in cost. It's very similar to Hunter's patience, which goes the other way. Patience is a negative progression in that it reduces costs each turn, but the damage remains the same. We're not going to take patience or guarding strike, because again, another increasing arithmetic progression. While in hand, Hunter gains block each turn. In this case, 64. We're not going to look at them because I think it's a bit difficult to draw all these cards at the same time. So we're going to focus on Storm's crushing blow. This is a story mission, Not So Beautiful Mind. There we go, it's Not So Beautiful Mind story mission, so it's got 2 encounters. So what we're going to try and do is draw crushing blow in the first encounter if we can. Right, let's go. Unlike mathematical expectation, which is perhaps a little more advanced, I mean, people have encountered it in school. You will have encountered mathematical expectation. It's called arithmetic mean, so you would have done it with mean, median, mode. Mathematical expectation is what the big boys call it. But I think it's a little challenging, I think, still, for a lot of people.
Hesitated with Bruce before, and
this is altogether very, very simple. So we're looking at arithmetic progression to take a breather from mathematical expectation.
Was kind enough to alert Hydra's forces to your presence. If you ever wanted to show off your elite hacking skills, now would be the time, Mr. Stark.
Me show off? What would ever give you that idea? And didn't I tell you to call me Tony?
Just hack the computer before they smash it, please, Tony.
See, that wasn't so hard.
Right, let's go.
The advantage is mine. Hail that. No mercy for the servants. I see not much has changed among the world's fanatics.
Accept your defeat.
Sure, why not?
Focus on Stark's target. I am impressed.
And thankfully we've drawn crushing blow, so that's great. Now to ensure Storm doesn't get killed in the first encounter.
That was a mistake. is.
I'll handle it.
It looks like they've brought friends.
You really are a terrible salesman, Bruce. At least butter me up before you attack my deservedly huge ego.
Walk in the light.
I appreciate your support.
Although Iron Man needs a heal right now, he is actually a little expendable. We need Storm and Hunter. So let's see.
A point.
You had your chance to escape.
You will not be discouraged.
I know that wasn't your signature move.
Storm's gonna need a heal for sure next turn. So, ooh, that's lucky. Should use Storm Shield. Right, let's go.
The curse is upon you. I will not be deterred.
Take advantage while they focus on me. Or I... Our ally requires aid.
Don't worry about Iron Man. He's actually expendable in this particularly. What is important? The Storm is still alive, and
Death won't be.
Crushing Blow is growing in strength.
That facility is teeming with Hydra reinforcements. Anything you can do to expedite the process.
Look, you can't just smash the keyboard and wait for a bunch of algebraic equations to fly off the screen. This isn't some 90s movie.
It is the least I can do.
I will use it to my advantage.
Credit where credit is due. Stark knows his technology.
I'm gonna skip all of this.
Holy mother of... Is it me, or are these things just getting bigger and bigger?
Well, Hunter really
concerned about the
needs
maze.
a heal.
Oh, I was getting to that. I just can't pull my eyes away from that massive brain case of hers.
I'm glad you're in good spirits, but the Dread Maiden is no laughing matter.
I'm saving my energy so we need it.
Target is clear.
My fate is no different from yours.
I saw a move like that once, centuries ago.
They really want me gone. I will show you true power.
Now that was something.
Return to the darkness. I have your back.
That should
Right,
help.
so objective is gonna try to use Crushing Blow to KO the Dread Maiden. So we gotta survive a couple of turns. We also need to build up heroism in order to play it. So let's not spend any more heroism if we can. I think Hunter should survive this. Let's go.
Guardian strong. My fail her.
Don't get up. Even if you can. The end comes for us all. Your journey is over. They still haven't realized their mistake.
She's going to try summoning reinforcements unless you can disable her first.
Sure, maybe we'll just take a few swipes at her kneecaps. Here we go. Who designed your armor? Because it looks like junk.
Right, so
This is I will not
so
be
next time
defeated.
we will be looking at the mathematics of Rising Storm 2, Storm's passive. See, right now she has a chance to stun 45%. I will explain all of that next week. Let's focus on Crushing Blow. So this is still not enough to take her out. I think she needs maybe another turn, maybe two. We can expedite this. This is something I did want to explain. So next turn doesn't necessarily mean, you know, in this case, it does represent the fourth turn. But what we can do with Storm is play her Crushing Blow. Sorry, her Goddess. I think that will activate next turn. So now it's actually the fifth next turn, although we're still at turn number 4, or effectively, if you count the first encounter. All right, let's see what we can do.
Let me light your way.
Hunter
the
needs
favor when
a
I
cure,
can.
so gonna.
Let us see if they have an answer for this.
got heroism to spare, so let's see. Let's see if we can deal a little damage to the Guardian.
Getting it done any way we know how.
They cannot possibly match your strength.
Teamwork tactics.
None will pass.
Oh, I thought we were finished.
They have not changed their plans. Lilith has made this Dread Maiden in her own twisted image.
Interesting interpretation. I would have guessed it was something out of Giger's sketchbooks.
Their intentions haven't changed.
Right, let's see if crushing blow. Oh, almost. Let's see if Iron Man can soften her up just a bit.
This shouldn't take long.
That will not distract me.
There we have it.
Be no escape.
Leave some for the rest of us.
I wasn't sure how you'd fare against her, but the Dread
I would-
Maiden was
the
no match for
arithmetic
you.
crushing blow. I wouldn't call it. It's not sophisticated math.
What'd you call that thing?
That's it, everyone. Thank you very much. Next time, the mathematics of Rising Storm. Thank you. Bye.